Stolzberg, and we're here with Franklin, the cheese merchant here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace. And you're making something so delicious and a little bit different. What are we doing today?
So happy to be here. So we're making a summer favorite in my house. We take a President Brie 8 ounce. It's a quick way to make a dessert. And you want to look for the brie that has a little ripeness. You want to almost close your hand and go like this. If you see the softness, that means that the brie is where it needs to go.
Oh,
where
okay.
it needs to be. I'd like to take the top of the brie. You got to be careful as you cut. Spread the mascarpone in a circular way, creating a center.
I love it's cheese on cheese.
It's cheese on cheese.
I'm all about it.
You can't go wrong with mascarpone.
No, you cannot.
I took the liberty to prepare the strawberries. So in a circular manner, you go this way, one behind the other, create a center, like so.
It's like a cheese pie.
It's like a cheese pie, strawberry shortcake.
Yeah, there you go.
Cover the holes there, and then we take a few blueberries, put it on top, took a little honey, and just drizzle it on top. And voila.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Fresh strawberry top brie, available at Uncle Giuseppe, or you can just make it at home.
There
with
you
other
go.
ingredients that we have available for you.
So if you'd like to wow your guests, head to news12.com. You will find the recipe there. Recipe, put it together, easy.
Thank
Love
you.
it. Thank you.
You got it.